Some residents of Old Karimo under Abuja Municipal Area Council in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) have sued the federal government and the Federal Capital Territory Development Authority (Fcda) to court over the seizure of their farmlands. Speaking on behalf of the farmers, Suleiman Makama said they have not received any form of compensation from the Fcda since the seizure. FCT correspondent Naomi Oleribe, who was at the court hearing, has this detail.
Who spoke on behalf of the farmers, said the Federal Capital Development Authority, Fcda, has not reached out in the past 20 years. He said the land had been occupied by real estate developers who had since fenced it and construction is currently ongoing. Suleiman Makama said they are aggrieved because their lands was forcefully taken from them and Fcda has continued to ignore their appeal. They said farming is their only source of livelihood and feeding has been difficult for some of them since the incident.
When they came initially, we protested, we chased them away. Then the next thing, they went to High Court Zone 5. Then the following month, they now transferred the issue to Zuba High Court, which were on that case for about 2 to 3 years. Then later they withdrew the case that we should settle out of court. Then unfortunately, I think a week later, they brought a bulldozer and a large number of policemen. They came and demolished part of the houses that were involved in that land. And since then, we have been up and down, we don't know what to do. And but this time around, we feel justice should be done, and that's why we are here.
Mohammed Ndayako, SAN, counsel to the plaintiffs, said the suit bordered on infringement on the rights of the residents of the community.
The case came up for the first time. It was mentioned, and the defendants are not here, and some of them have not actually been served. So we'll make effort to serve them before the next adjourned date. The matter is now adjourned for hearing. We're coming back on the 10th of May to hear the matter, within which time we'll serve everybody again. Even those that were served before, we'll serve them again.
Meanwhile, reacting to the suit, Professor Ademola Okwola, the professor of law from Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, highlighted that every citizen is entitled to his fundamental human rights. According to him, the court will follow due process to ensure that justice is served.
A legal conundrum arising from the peculiar status of the Federal Capital Territory is a live issue. I won't go into the specificity of the case since it's already before the court. But we all know that for some time, and even in recent time, there have been issues regarding the Federal Capital Territory and the original inhabitants. So I think at the end of the day, the case will hopefully resolve definitively some of the issues in this regard.
The case was later adjourned to the 10th of May 2023 for further hearing.